Okay. Uh, Good morning to one and all. So, in the previous lecture, we have discussed regarding the armature reaction, and we have solved some of the problem related to DC machine, that is a DC generator problem. We have solved some of the DC generator problem. So, in that, in a DC generator problem, we have solved the how to calculate back generated EMF, EG, or we have also taken one of the OCC characteristics problem, that is, and we have calculated the speed according to this generated EMF equation. So some problem we have already solved in the previous lecture. Now today we will discuss about the next one point of this unit. This is one of the important point, is that the commutation or the process of commutation. Okay, what is commutator? I have already told the commutator in the construction part. That is, commutator, it is one of the cylindrical drum like structure which is mounted on the shaft. The commutator which is having an commutator segment. So these segments are insulated from each other. There are a number of segment which is depends upon number of coil वरती depend राहतील, which are mounted over the shaft वरती असतील, and it is having an commutator segment. These segments are insulated from shaft also, as well as these segment are insulated from each other also. That means there are number of segment, as we have already discussed in the wave winding and lap winding. There are commutator segment, why it is called as wave winding, why it is called as lap winding. So this also part we have discussed in this unit. Okay, now what is meant by commutator I have discussed in the construction part. Now we will see the actual commutation process. Okay, now in the construction I have told that the function of commutator is to convert the AC quantity into an DC quantity. Okay, so to convert AC to DC, this is the function of commutator. That means it will work as a rectifier. As I have told in the previous, it will works as a rectifier. The rectifier man work करेल. So in that commutation, or it may be commutator, and the commutation process is nothing but the reversal of current in the coil. When the coil, it can be passing from one pole to another pole. एका पोल पासून दुसऱ्या पोल कडे कॉइल ज्यावेळेस पास होते, that means do you know that the coil, that is armature coil, it is rotated, which is mounted on the armature slots, and in case of generator, the armature of the generator, it will be rotating. Generator जे काय armature असेल ते rotate होत असतं. So when that conductor, or when the coil, it will be passing from one pole to another pole, at that situation there are reversal of current, it will be happen. The current चं काय होतं, reversal happen होतं, and the unidirectional current will be happen. So this unidirectional current, it is nothing but DC current, and this action it can be done by using commutator. Okay, getting my point? So reversal of current in the coil, when the coil, it can be passing from one pole to another pole. Okay, so this process, it is called as commutation. Okay, now see, this coil or this current in the armature, it is always flowing from negative terminal to the positive terminal. That means negative brush to the top positive brush. That means it is always flowing negative brush to the positive brush, or it is flowing towards the positive brush. Towards the positive brush, it is nothing but it is flowing negative to positive. Okay, so see, the commutator, suppose it has been seen that the current in the armature conductor of a DC generator are alternating. Okay, so we have already derived the diagram. आपण diagram derive केली होती. Just I will take a whiteboard. Okay, see the commutator, it is nothing but it is one device which can converts the alternating quantity into an DC quantity. That means it will like as a rectifier, it will works as a rectifier. So in that it will work as a rectifier. So it has been seen that the current in the armature conductor of a DC generator are alternating, as we have discussed in the DC generator. That is, see, I will draw here. So do you know that in case of DC generator, we have derived the back EMF generated EMF equation, that is 5PNZ divided by 60A. Okay, so this equation we have already derived. And the commutator, that is commutator, it is nothing but it will convert alternating quantity into an direct quantity. And we have seen the current generated, that is EMF generated in case of DC generator, it is in the form of alternating quantity or AC. Okay, आपण waveform draw केली होती, it is in the form of alternating quantity or AC. At a 90-degree position, the flux will be maximum, that is flux cutting will be maximum, so that generated EMF will be maximum. At 180-degree, again there is flux cutting will be zero, so that the induced EMF it will be zero. That means the generated current in case of DC generator, it is in alternating quantity. Okay, generated current in a DC generator, it is in the alternating quantity. Okay, so generatorचा जो काय generated current असेल, it is in the alternating quantity असेल. So this alternating quantity current or AC current, it can be converted into an DC by using an commutator. Okay, so commutator function is to convert the alternating quantity or AC current into an DC current. Okay, so this process, it is nothing but an commutation. So it has been seen that the current in the armature conductor of a DC generator are alternating. To make their flow unidirectional, in the external circuit. Okay, so we need a commutator. What is the need of commutator? That means to convert the alternating current, that is AC current, into an direct current or DC current, we need a commutator. Moreover, this current flow in one direction, it is in one direction when armature conductor are under N pole, and in the opposite direction when they are under S pole. That means this current in the armature conductor, it will be changes its direction when it will be passing from one pole to another pole. Okay, so see, I will show, suppose here it is a two-pole machine. For our understanding, we will consider the two-pole machine. Suppose this is an DC machine having an poles, that is two pole. Okay, इथे एक pole आहे, and here it is another one pole is there. So this is the two-pole machine. When the armature conductor, याच्यामध्ये armature असेल, याच्यामध्ये armature conductor किंवा coil असतील, when the one coil it is passing from one pole to another pole, so it will be rotating continuously because prime mover is attached to that. त्याला prime mover attach केलेला असेल. So when the coil is passing from one pole to another pole, that is suppose here N pole is here, S pole is here. Okay, so one coil, इथली जर coil consider केली, suppose here it is coil A. First of all, this coil A, it is under N pole, it will carrying a current in this direction. When this coil it is comes under S pole, at that situation it will carry a current in the opposite direction. लक्षात येतंय का तुमच्या? हॅलो, लक्षात येतंय का मी काय सांगतोय? So when the coil is passing from one pole to another pole, एका पोल कडून दुसऱ्या पोल कडे ज्यावेळेस कॉइल पास होते, because it is an rotating armature, so at that situation there is a reversal of current. Okay, so this reversal of current, it is nothing but process of commutation. त्यालाच commutation process म्हणतो आपण. So this current flows in the one direction when armature conductor are under N pole and in the opposite direction when they are in the under S pole. म्हणजे N pole ला असतील तर suppose forward direction ला असेल, then when it is an S pole, then it will be under opposite direction. Okay, that means when this process is nothing but commutation, that is commutation, it is nothing but the reversal of current when the coil it can be passing from one pole to another pole. Coil ज्या वेळेस एका पोल कडून दुसऱ्या पोल कडे पास होते, at that situation there are a reversal, it will be happen. Okay, and do you know that this armature current, it will be always flowing from negative brush to that of positive brush, negative brush kadun positive brush kada flow in. So this or it may be always towards that of positive brush kade yetin. So this reversal of current, it is process is nothing but commutation. Again there are some of the definition. See, as conductor pass out of the influence of N pole and enter the S pole, the current in them is reverse. See, मी जे आता सेंटेन्स सांगितलं, conductor it will be passing from one pole to another pole, that means one pole to another pole, or coil is passing from one pole to another pole, there is a reversal of current. So see here, the influence of N pole, suppose any one of the conductor we have taken for our understanding, ekada conductor consider केला, when this conductor it will be passing from one pole to another pole, at that situation there is a reversal of current. Current काय होतो त्याच्यामधला रिव्हर्स होतं. गेटिंग? लक्षात येते का? हॅलो, प्लीज गिव्ह मी रिप्लाय. I think your voice is not audible, so just comment in the chat box. Just give comment. All of you understand, that means commutator, what is the action, that means how it will be do. I will definitely I will see by I will tell by considering one of the example or by considering one of the coil. So commutator or commutation action is nothing but when any one of the coil or the one of the conductor when pass out from one pole to another pole, or when it will be travel from one pole to another pole, then there is a reversal of current, it will be happen. Okay, now see here the sentence, this reversal, here it is, this reversal. Okay, so this reversal of current takes place along magnetic neutral axis or the brush axis. हे जे काही रिव्हर्सल आहे, it will be takes place along the magnetic neutral axis or MNA. So we have already discussed the definition of MNA, or it can be happened across a brush axis. Brush axis ला घडेल किंवा magnetic neutral axis. That is when the brush span and the hence short circuit that particular coil undergoing reversal of the current through it. Okay, so जी particular coil आपण consider करणार आहे, this coil it can be undergoing a reversal when it will be passing from one pole to another pole, or it is along with that of magnetic neutral axis, or it is along with that of brush axis. Okay, okay, now again another one definition is that, see, this process by which current in the short circuited coil is reversed. Okay, see, for that I will draw one diagram. Amit, what are you drawing? Amit, okay, see here, that means one coil, that is here the sentence is given, that means here the sentence it can be given, this process by which the current in the short circuited coil get reversed while it crosses the magnetic neutral axis or the plane is called as commutation. Okay, what is commutation? That means commutator or current in the commutator, it will be this current in the commutator will be reverses, we can call it as a reverses, when it will be passing from one pole to another pole, or when will be along with that of brush axis, or it may be magnetical neutral axis, then its direction it will be changed. See, this process by which current in the short circuited coil, suppose we have consider one coil, एखादी coil आपण consider केली, suppose this one is one coil, this one is another one coil, and here this coil is connected to each and every commutator segment. As we know that each coil it can be connected to commutator segment. प्रत्येक coil commutator segment ला काय केले असेल, connect केले असेल, and the brush it can be pressed against that commutator segment. या commutator segment वरती काय केलेले असतात, brush press केलेले असतात. Okay, so see again one sentence is there, the width of brush, that means brush ची जी काय width असेल, the width of brush it is equals to that of width of one commutator segment and one mica insulation. Okay, so brush of width of brush it is equals to width of one commutator segment, एका commutator segment ची width, okay, plus one mica insulation, one mica insulation, एवढी त्या brush ची काय असेल, width असेल. Suppose here it is, this one is the coil A, this one is the coil B. Suppose the coil is this A coil, it is undergo commutation. ही जर commutation मध्ये असेल तर brush it is like this, or brush it is at this position. At that situation this coil gets short circuited. ही coil काय होते, short circuit होते, because बघा हा commutator segment इथं आहे, this one commutator segment is here, but the brush ची width काय असेल, हा commutator segment ची width plus one mica insulation, म्हणजे brush काय होईल, इथं touch होईल, so it will get short circuited. This coil get short circuited. Coil काय होते, short circuit होते. So this process by which current in the short circuited coil it is reversed while it crosses the magnetic neutral axis or the plane is called as commutation. Is called as commutation. Okay, now see, or another one definition is that commutation is the process, a coil undergo after leaving the magnetic field on the one pair of the pole and just before entering the magnetic field of the next pair of the pole. So commutation it is nothing but एक process आहे. This process is nothing but coil undergoing after leaving one magnetic field or one magnetic field on one pair of pole. एका पेअरच्या पोल मध्ये एक मॅग्नेटिक फील्ड काय करते, ते लीव करते आणि दुसऱ्या मॅग्नेटिक फील्ड मध्ये काय करते, एंटर करते. So this process is nothing but commutation, or the changes that takes place in the winding, in the winding element during the period of short circuit by a brush is called as commutator. Okay, so the changes that takes place winding element मध्ये काय changes होते किंवा coil मध्ये काय changes होईल regarding current during that short circuited period, ज्यावेळेस coil short circuit होते, what is the change in the current between that coil by the brush, that means brush it will get short circuited. brush काय करताय, त्या coil ला short circuit करताय, by that brush it is called as commutation. and this short circuited period or किती वेळासाठी जी coil short circuit होते, so this short circuited period it is called as commutation period. Okay, this is nothing but the commutation period. Okay, all of you got. See, suppose एखादी coil काही वेळासाठी शॉर्ट सर्किट होते, म्हणजे ब्रश काय करतात, त्याला शॉर्ट सर्किट करतायत दोन कम्युटेटर सेगमेंट. सो दिस पिरियड इट इज नथिंग बट अँड कम्युटेशन पिरियड. ओके, so this period generally it is within a fraction of second, काही सेकंदामध्ये this commutation action होते. So this commutation it will be done within a fraction of second, मध्ये this commutation action will be done. So this commutation action it is done because the speed of that armature speed काय असेल, maximum असेल. सपोज 1500 rpm ना armature रन होते and suppose there are 100 number of coil. Okay, each and every coil मधला current काय करणार आहे, reverse करणार आहे, so that this action it can be done within a fraction of second. Okay, so this is nothing but and just definition of commutator. So commutation process definition is that the commutation it can be defined as the reversal of current in the coil, reversal of current in the coil. When the coil, it will be passing from one pole to another pole. It is nothing but commutation. Coil, reversal of current in the coil. When the coil, it will be passing from n pole to s pole, or it may be one pole to another pole. एका पोल कडून दुसऱ्या पोल कडे ज्यावेळेस कॉइल पास होईल, at that situation the commutation action will be done. That is, this process, it is called as commutation. This is very important concept and very interesting concept. How it will be reversed, we will show, we will see. Now see, I will draw one diagram for that. That is, okay, see, suppose I will draw that diagram. Suppose the one of the conductor is there. That is, here it is one of the commutator of the DC machine. DC machine च commutator आहे असं consider करा. This commutator having a number of segment. So I will draw the segment also. This is having a number of segment is there. This will be having a number of segment. Okay, see, this commutator, it is having a number of segment. Here it is one cylindrical commutator which is mounted on shaft. This commutator having a number of segment, segment 1, segment 2, then 3, like that. Okay, this is having a commutator segment. Number of commutator segment is there. These segment are insulated from each other. This we have already discussed in the construction. This commutator segment, it is having an insulated from each other. Now each and every commutator segment, there are coil, it can be connected. Suppose here it is one coil, armature coil me consider karto. This will be connected like this. Here it is coil. Now similarly, this one is one coil. Now similarly here it is coil. बघा, कॉइल इथून इथं कनेक्ट केले. सिमिलरली प्रत्येक कम्युटेटर सेगमेंटला कॉइल काय असेल, कनेक्टेड असेल. ओके, सो सिमिलरली लाइक दिस I will draw the coil. Suppose just this is connected here, connected here, this one is connected here, this one is here, this one is here. Again each and every coil, so there are number of coil. Okay, number of coil, it is equals to number of commutator segment. All of you keep in mind, that is number of coil or number of coil in the armature, it is equals to number of commutator segment. Number of commutator segment, जेवढे number of commutator segment असतील तेवढ्या number of coils काय असतील, present असतील. So see, बघा, again I will draw here brush. That is, here it is one brush and here it is another one brush. Suppose this is a negative brush and this one is the positive brush. Okay, again see, always current, it will be flowing from coil from negative brush, that is armature current, it will be flowing from negative brush to the positive brush. Negative कडून positive कडे काय होते, current flow होते. That is IA, it will be flowing from negative to positive, or it may be it is towards that of positive. Towards that of positive is nothing but again it is negative to positive. Now when this coil, it is rotating, हे rotate होत असतं. So when this coil, it will be passing from one pole to S pole, or any one of the pole to another pole. Suppose there are pole, I will draw here pole. Here it is N pole. Similarly, suppose consider केली two pole machine तर. Here it is S pole and here it is N pole. When the coil, it will be passing from one pole to another pole, or it may be, it will be along with that of brush axis, or it may be it will along with that of MNA, that is magnetical neutral axis. Magnetical neutral axis and brush axis, it is same. Okay, because to achieve an sparkless commutation, the brushes should always lie along with MNA. I have already tell one sentence. हे sentence मी तुम्हाला already सांगितलेले आहे. To achieve an sparkless commutation, the brushes are always lie along with MNA. म्हणजे MNA ज्या direction ला असेल, सपोज MNA या डिरेक्शनला असेल तर ब्रशेस पण काय पाहिजेत, ऑलवेज लाय अलॉंग विथ MNA. दॅट मीन्स either it may be brush axis, we can call it as a brush axis, or it may be a magnetical neutral axis. So it is along with magnetical neutral axis, and when it will be changing from one pole to another pole, at that situation there is a reversal of current will be happen. Okay, reversal of current will be happen. Okay, now this reversal of current is nothing but commutation. ही जी काय reversal of current असेल, it is nothing but commutation. This process it is called as commutation. त्या प्रोसेसला commutation process म्हणतात. Now see, again I have tell that this brush it can be attached or it can be pressed against that of slip ring. Slip ring वरती press केलेला असेल. This slip ring are attached to that of commutator segment, and for a specific time period or for particular time period, this coil, each and every coil it get short circuited. काही particular time साठी तीस coil काय होते, short circuit होते, undergo at that situation we can call it as the coil it is undergo commutation. म्हणजे जी coil short circuit झालेले we can call it as this coil it is undergo commutation. ती काय करते, commutation मध्ये आहे सध्या, and when this coil release its commutation process, so up to that period it is called as commutation period. म्हणजे ज्या काळापर्यंत ती कॉइल शॉर्ट सर्किट असेल, this time it is called as commutation period, or the coil gets short circuited under some period. This period it is called as commutation period. Okay, this period it is called as commutation period. Okay, so this is just general concept of that of commutation process, and commutation is nothing but reversal of current. हे कसं DC होतं, that means AC coil मधून current flow होतो, then it will be unidirectional, एका direction न current flow होतो. So unidirectional current is nothing but DC current. Okay, unidirectional current it is nothing but DC current. So this coil it will get carry a current in unidirectional or DC, and it is fed to the external circuit by the use of brush. Brush चा use करून ती coil काय करते, current unidirectional flow करते, or it may be DC current it will be flowing. Okay, so this process it is called as commutation. Okay, now see, if the current reversal, that is the change from reversal of current, it is nothing but it will be changed from positive to negative, or it will change its direction. As I have tell that it will change its direction, the direction change करतं त्याची. That means the suppose the current positive असेल किंवा forward direction न flow होत असेल, it will change its direction after commutation process, that is opposite direction. So this reversal of current in the coil, when the coil it can be passing from one pole to another pole, so this process it is called as commutation. So that means the current it will be changing from positive to the negative, and if it is completed by a given short circuit period or given that commutation period, then the commutation it should be ideal. Okay, so that means जर ही जी काय रिव्हर्सलची प्रोसेस आहे, दिस रिव्हर्सल प्रोसेस इफ इट इज डन विदिन दॅट कम्युटेशन पिरियड, कम्युटेशन पिरियड मध्ये जर झाली, कम्युटेशन पिरियड, this process it is nothing but an ideal commutation. Okay, this process it is nothing but an ideal commutation. त्या प्रोसेसला आयडियल कम्युटेशन म्हणतात. जर त्या कम्युटेशन पिरियड मध्ये जी काय कॉइल शॉर्ट सर्किट होते, ती कॉइल त्या कम्युटेशन पिरियड मध्ये जर प्रोसेस कंप्लीट झाली, ओके, if the process it can be completed in the commutation period, then this commutation period it is nothing but an ideal commutation process, or this is nothing but an ideal commutation process. So practically it cannot be happen, because while short circuit will be happen, there are some of the sparking it can be done. So this is the practical difficulties, that means the sparking it can be done, this is nothing but the practical difficulty. And due to sparking there are unequal current will be flowing, unequal current त्याच्यामधून फ्लो होतो का तर स्पार्किंग फॉर्म झाल्यामुळे. So this process it is nothing but practical commutation. ओके, दिस इज नॉट आयडियल. आयडियल कधी म्हणू शकतो आपण? द कम्युटेशन प्रोसेस that is reversal of current from positive ampere to the negative ampere, it is completed at the end of short circuit period, or it may be at the end of commutation period. Then this process, it is called as ideal commutation. Okay, this is nothing but ideal commutation. So this is the commutation process. Now okay, if the reversal, see, if the reversal, it cannot completed by that time. जर ते रिव्हर्सल आहे, इट कॅनॉट बी कम्प्लिटेड बाय दॅट टाइम. त्या टाइम मध्ये जर नाही कम्प्लीट झालं, then the sparking it can be produced. See, as I have tell that if this reversal of current, that is positive ampere to the negative ampere, it cannot completed by the given period of time. Okay, or it may be in that commutating period, then there will be sparking, it can be produced. Okay, in between the brush and the commutator segment. And if the sparking it can be produced, the its result is that the progressive damage to the boat. दोन्ही काय होतील? Progressive damage to the boat. So its result is that it may be damage to the commutator segment damage होतील, or the brush will also damage, or it may be sometimes both it may be damaged. Okay, बघा ही जी काय प्रोसेस आहे, that means commutation process, it cannot completed within the specific time, that is within the commutation period. So then there will be sparking will be happen. Okay, then the sparking will be happen, and at that situation when the sparking will be happen, it will result that the brushes as well as commutator segment will get damaged. Okay, brushes as well as commutator segment will be damaged. Okay, so remaining part, that is how actual the reversal of current it can be happen, we will see in the next lecture. So we will conclude this today's lecture. Just stay joined. I want to take attendance.